Big hello everyone. Today me and Yhana are going to head over to the Phyllis Curry Nature Reserve. I'm going to take you to the pet cemetery and the beautiful lake, the dragonflies, the butterflies.
Also, it is burning hot out here and I am sweating. Too hot. It's too hot for me.
It's very hot. So we're just resting at the local post office. We're just having an ice cream and then we're going to head off.
Reaching for the grand, as willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go.
Making sure no one nicks them. And grab a bottle of water and ready to go.
This field we're in just behind us is a great place to come and photograph butterflies. The field is usually covered in them. So I'm going to take a few butterfly photographs in a second.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond oak. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond oak.
Here we are in the Vivian Robson Memorial Hide. Now this is a great location to catch sight of the elusive kingfisher bird. Quite often you see him flying across the lake and you see like a streak of green just pass you by.
And it's really, really pretty. So don't ask why I'm red. And you also see some dragonflies here, what I'm trying to take some pictures of.
Yeah, this is a great location for dragonflies. We've seen loads, haven't we?
Yeah, and there's also, I see fishies jumping out the water.
You see some fish?
Jumping out the water.
Right, Yhana's going to try and catch a few photographs. Hopefully, maybe even a dragonfly. So, hopefully we'll show you the pictures soon.
I'm going to show you guys this river and how beautiful this is just sitting here. So this is how beautiful the river is.
Okay, we're just walking up to the local pet cemetery. The burials belonged to Phyllis Curry, who used to own this land. They're her dogs.
Stephen's down there somewhere, doing his own little video. So I'm gonna take you up here to the grave. Do you hear that, guys? It's like a bird. I'm gonna take you guys up to the pet cemetery now. Yeah, you can see him behind me. Come on, let's go to the pet cemetery. So, I'm taking you up into shade. Ish. We're in the pet cemetery. We're going to find somewhere to sit and talk about this, so you'll get to hear some of the pet cemetery I would like to tell you guys. Yay! Great video, that. Guys, I think this is like a abandoned shed. Look guys, look at this abandoned shed I've just found. Let's carry on walking. Come on, little bit. Come on.
Right, we're just taking a moment in the shade because it's really, really hot.
And I'm sitting on the tree.
Yeah, we've got a hawk flying above us somewhere. I'm trying to catch it, but it's a bit elusive.
Yeah, I'm sitting on a tree.
We've seen a hawk over here, haven't we?
Yeah. And this is the tree I'm sitting on. We are going to be taking some photos of us in the shade for a bit, and then we're going to start going into the woods again.
Boo! Boo!
Stop, just ignore him.
Boo!
Ignore him. He's been a loony. He wants to try and scare you. Just leave him alone. He's been a loony. Hey. He's trying to scare you. Don't listen to him. Stop. You're not sharing a photo. You're trying to blooming scare them.
I'm not. Right, okay.
Guys. You know what one's mine, don't you? That one's mine. Mix them up. Wait. No! that, guys. Can you hold this wide? Can you pause the camera, please?
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. At up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, we go.
Well, that pretty much concludes our trip to the Pet Cemetery and Nature Reserve. Yhana's just popping into the post office to go and grab some ice cream. Here she comes.
Hello, everyone. Bye.
Bye everybody,
Bye.
and we'll see you soon.